How to permanently disable the Apple AirTag from chirping without damaging the housing or tabs. Disclaimer: the SgtLocksmith channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All content provided in this by SgtLocksmith is meant for educational purposes only.
Hey, SgtLocksmith here. Okay, so we've been a victim of theft last month, still dealing with insurance, but that's not the point. The point is our AirTags were found a block and a half away from our location. I'm going to show you how we're going to defeat this from happening again, because of that little chirp that comes from this. Quick, easy video to do. All you're going to need is a razor blade, a pocket knife, and I'm using a red marker to show you how to do this. First part is, let's go ahead and open it up. Once you get it open, set the battery off to the side. Now, what I suggest is, so your little power point right here, put that at 12 o'clock. Then you want to look, and I'll lift it up. You'll notice you've got that little tab right here. Make a line. You've got the other tab over here. Make a line right where it begins, and then come down to the bottom down here and make a line. So when you have it sitting down, that's 12 o'clock. This should be roughly 2 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and roughly 10 o'clock right here. And the reason why is, do not pry on this. You don't want to pry because you'll bust the tabs. I've seen these where the tabs are broke, and then you got to put them in a hard case. Not a problem. We're not going to do that. Now we got it marked. Take your razor blade and insert it. If you notice, you got the seam right between the plastic and the aluminum right there. I always find it easier just to put the razor blade in before the line. And you want to just slowly pry in there. And when you do, you notice how the blade goes in. Go in and go past the line. Got that done. It pops the little glue or the little crimp out of there. We're going to do that again here. Notice it's in. You can turn around and just keep running the blade through there if you want to also. Popped out, so I'll just put it in right there. There, notice we've got it. Now, the easy thing to do is take that same blade if you want. You can put it back in there. It holds it open just a little. Me, I'm not going to. I'm going to pop that out. I'm going to put my knife blade right there. Put your finger on the back side. Don't cut yourself. And you just want to press in. And you notice how it's opening up. Gently pry up right there. If it doesn't pop, don't worry. Work your way around. You heard that one go, and you notice it's opening up. I know you'll want to sit there and work all the way around. I don't suggest doing that. And you notice once that one popped in, how this side popped up more. Now you can just come back here and lift up. And you come right to this one, your last one. Pop it up. Set that to the side. Sometimes the coil will come off and it'll be stuck here. Sometimes it'll be down in here glued. Ours is glued, so I'm gonna turn around, just take a pair of tweezers that I use, put it on there. That's part of the speaker. Set that off to the side. I don't want that no more. Then I'm gonna take my knife blade and I'm actually gonna remove the coil, because these here are going inside my new equipment and my cases. It doesn't make no noise or anything. You're done. And the reason why I said put those lines on there is, now if you look, if you didn't, don't worry. You've got the tabs here. Put that back at your 12 o'clock. That's your 12 o'clock. put them on and gently push down. And if it's not lined up, just move it and you'll see them pop in like so. There you go. You're back together. Put your battery in. And now you've got an AirTag that does not beep no more. That's how they found out that I had trackers in some of my gear that they took, and they threw them out. And one thing and a suggestion I would recommend is take your AirTag and let's say you put it in your Titan key machine, Condor, whatnot. Label it as what model it is and put your serial number. That way if your gear ever gets stolen and the police show up, you have easy record to show and pop it up. Now, do not use this for illegal activities or anything, but this is to help us from being victims again and recovering our gear. Thanks again for watching. Go ahead, like, subscribe, and if you made it this far, thanks. And we'll be posting more how-to videos and show you a little more things that we've done to up the security on the van that got broken into. But thanks again for watching. Let's be safe out there.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down below.